This is vegetable beef soup made by one of my brother-in-laws who is a retired Navy commander. Good stuff. And I have to say that I've been reluctant to eat it because it's got my brother's cow in it. My brother is a dairy farmer who sometimes has organic beef for sale, and this is like the cream of the crop. And when you go to the supermarket, you don't get organic beef with no pesticides. The problem I've had is he names his cows, and so I'm wondering which one this is. But my message to you today, just before Veterans Day, is there's nothing better than a retired Navy commander who knows how to cook, and a small farmer, in the sense of not a mass market farmer, who knows how to raise animals ethically, wonderfully, and healthily for everybody and for people. Support our veterans and support our small farmers.